Kim sa manatawalim sa nung nisla nung ninguna kinabi bakalaltek. Muni may chiko, kimi may sumber mim Tatau, may kinabaro tu tos nila ko lang wala sing matak. Kamu talang ko sa kamunangan nun ra baka binibinaka na bola-bola ni Fiji Rugby niyan pakai talakin na matachim nim Drua. Ena nung muni sa may baka dating tala matakan sing na likuha. Muni sa may bilutek tala na tutu baka president antara matin tu lang ko bici. Kimi misaban ni nakachukun ni kalmat sa chulum ni bilutek. Kaya doon sa tsikunan naman ni Bengaran, Bekima na Lewibiti, na nabisi ng mata. Sa malam-malam sa tsikunan kamunang na itatau katurangan ng Timbudua, sa sampai sa tsikunan na noon ni Bilutagi, naman turangan ng Presidente, inapanua, na ilun niya mo sa Bitu, kaya muri, may untong saka, Abura!
I recall that it was around the same time last year that I farewelled the Fiji Airways Drua team. Now thank you for honoring the time-honored tradition of presenting your farewell or your iTatau before you depart our shores again to represent our beloved nation at the 2018 Australian National Rugby Championship that will be held from the 1st September to the 27th of October. Your Tatau is also timely, as you will host your first game here tomorrow, or Fiji will host the first game tomorrow when you play the Melbourne Rising team in the Lakombau Park tomorrow afternoon. Our prayers and good wishes are with you tomorrow. As I said, sa namuri community ko naman inibinakan ni Manong Manibiti, but ikinamas, wani nangangadyo. Congratulations to all of you, for you have earned a spot in the 2018 team, quite a feat. Now your personal sacrifice and that of your respective family members have been worth the while. Now you're now, well, you're obviously now in game mode with the expectation of exceeding, that you will exceed your 2017 performance. There's a lot of expectation from our people, and you know all about it. I'm informed that the majority of the players from the last year's Drua team, which were all locally based, have been included into this year's side, with 6 overseas players also part of this year's national side. Well done. Congratulations again to you all. I have no doubt that your training regime, which involved grueling hours, working out the Singotoka sand dunes, have challenged more than your physical fitness. It is also a means of testing your mental stamina and your ability to communicate and work as a team. I remember reading yesterday's sports column. Some sports commentator and past players and coaches were talking about the importance of teamwork, and you know all about it. You would have used your game experience from last year's National Rugby Championship as lessons learned to strategize your game plan for this year and to better your current 4th place standing. 2018 NRC fixtures for the Fiji Airways Drua rugby team has you playing away games against Queensland Country, Sydney, the Western Force, while domestic matches will be played against the Melbourne Rising tomorrow, Brisbane City, New South Wales Country Eagles, and the Canberra Vikings. The NRC is your opportunity to further develop your game skills, enrich your technical knowledge, and measure your capabilities against your international counterparts. I also believe that being part of the Fiji and Drua team is in itself part of your pathway into Fiji's national team, especially now that the 2019 Rugby World Cup is just about a year away from now. We're running out of time. I hope that you have set your sights on this, because I know that your family members look forward to seeing all of you being part of our national team in years to come. I too look forward to that occasion. Now, gentlemen, being an elite player comes with responsibilities. You become a public figure by default. It also means that you have the capacity to sway public opinion, or at the very least, make your views heard. I challenge you then to join me in raising the awareness on the importance of leading healthy lifestyles in order to purge the rise of non-communicable diseases, NCDs, in our midst. Now, as athletes, you're already halfway there with your active sports regime. Keep it up. Not only do NCDs affect an individual's personal growth, NCDs are also bane of economic development. Spending a lot of money looking after our sick. Now, Fiji loses about $406 million annually to care for NCD-related ailments. Money that could be best channeled towards enhancing the development of sports and persons within our country. Now, Fiji should be known for its excellence in various fields, but not as being a country with one of the largest and highest rates of NCD-related deaths in the Pacific. Now, the fight against NCD is everyone's responsibilities, and I challenge you on that. Let us stay fit. I wish you all the best in your matters ahead, and a safe journey ahead of you. Thank you, and may Almighty God continue to bless the team and our beloved nation, Fiji. God bless you.